In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import multiple Excel files in Power BI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for so you can bring your spreadsheets into one place and start analyzing them with confidence. Start by opening your Microsoft Power BI desktop app. Give it a moment to load, and make sure any Excel files you plan to use aren't open elsewhere. That helps avoid file locks and speeds things up. If you're working from a company network drive, a stable connection will make the process smoother. Once Power BI is open, head to the Home tab along the top. This is the command center for getting data, transforming it, and building visuals. If you ever feel lost, returning to the Home ribbon is a safe bet. Next, click Get Data. This button is your gateway to everything you can bring into Power BI. You'll see quick options for common sources, and you can always choose more to view the full list. Since we're focused on Excel, the choice you make here determines how you handle multiple files. Now select a source. If you want to bring files in one at a time, choose Excel Workbook. If all your Excel files live in a single folder and share the same column structure, choose Folder. Both approaches are valid. Folder is usually faster for many files that look alike, while Excel Workbook is great if you want to be selective. A quick tip: when using the folder approach, consistent sheet names and headers across files help Power BI recognize and align your data. Next, select a file or location. If you chose Excel Workbook, browse to the first file you want to import and select it. You can repeat this process later for additional files. If you chose Folder, navigate to the folder that contains all your Excel files. Keep your file names clear and organized so you can spot what's included at a glance. Finally, click Open. Power BI will analyze what you pointed it to and display a navigator window with the available sheets or tables. You'll see previews that help you confirm you've targeted the right content. Take a moment to check that the data looks as expected and that the columns you care about are present and clearly labeled. If the files are structured the same way, you'll find it much easier to work with them together going forward. That's it. You've opened Power BI, gone to Home, used Get Data, selected the right source, chosen your file or folder, and opened it to preview your data. With that foundation in place, you're ready to move on to shaping, analyzing, and building visuals from your imported Excel files.